Okay, I'm going to make a super quick video to tell you how to upload things in Google Classes. So I also want to point out a few things super quick. I created this, all this right here that you see for you. That's why your picture's right there. And I created it under ncjjap.remote.classroom@gmail. And the reason why I still go in there sometimes is because if we're going to create something new, like we had to recreate our English class, so I log in under that umbrella and I created the English class. One of the things is I noticed like Idris' class was created by Mr. Hall, not by me, so it's the only class that doesn't fall under you under this umbrella. So anyway, we can talk about that another time if you want to, but while I was in here, I did this for you, and this is also what I did for the students. I put a button up here for you to get to your Gmail. I put a button up here to get to your apps. I put a button for your YouTube, your classes, and your Google Hangouts. So let's take, for instance, YouTube. We click on YouTube. I'm just showing you this super quick, and you want to know how many videos I did so far? Just type in our email address. So mine is Celeric Classroom. You just need the first part of it. Celeric Classroom. You don't need to add the @Gmail. So there's Celeric Classroom, and then these are everything that I'm uploading for kids to be able to access or other people. So anyway, this just gives you a great idea of what people are uploading and kind of lets you control it. You might be interested in it. Now let's get to the thing with the classes. If you do want to go on Hangouts with us, you can just click right there and try and join a Hangout, but I'll show you how we do Hangouts if you ever want to join us. Let me show you that first under Celeric Conference. So usually we put it in the stream. So you come down here into one of our things, and you will see a link for, let's start a chat. Right here is when you click on this. That's from April 13th, and you would click on it, and it puts you in. So it says I'm the first one in this link. So if we all clicked on this same link, we'd be in here together. So if Hasso has a link on recreation today, you click on it, you'll be in here with us. Okay, so I'm so sorry. Back to your upload now. So if you wanted to upload, actually it's in Celeric Conference. Okay, so you wanted to upload your picture. Let's say you wanted to put your, no PJs for me. Let's say you wanted to put your picture in my thing. You could come over here, you type in what you want anywhere. My selfie. I'll erase it afterwards, but I'm just doing it to show you. And then you come in here and you click add. And then what you have to do first is you save your picture to either a file on your computer or you can save it to your YouTube. So let's say you come up here and we're going to do file on the computer. For me, I put a lot of this stuff in, like this is my virtual school Rios file. So that's all the stuff I put in the files for you. Here's my virtual school. These are all my files. So like, let's say I go into tech files. I have some of my pictures in tech files. So then I'll just select my picture and I will hit open. It'll put my picture right there. I hit upload. It's right there. Then I hit post. And there it is. Miss Rios, or NCJJAP teachers, just posted my selfie and a picture of Celeric. Now, of course, we don't want to leave that up here, so I'm just going to delete. But anyway, it showed you how to do it. And if you forget all that, just send me the picture. I'll do it. But you have so much stuff you can do in here. Oh, can I just show you one other super quick thing if you're still watching? I want you to check out the assignment that we have people working on for Nathan, so I'm going to show it to you. If you look through here, it shows you all active assignments. So right here are active assignments that are due in English, and what is school for is the assignment we're talking about, so you can click on it, and then you go into instructions. Now, you click on this and you watch the video, and you're not going to be able to hear the video because it doesn't record what's on the computer sound. So just hit close or hit the go back button. Then you click on this, what is school for, Google Docs. Now, all of us can write in Google Docs and it'll tell us what we think. So here's what I said. Here is my opinion of it. There's Brian's opinion. I didn't write Brian's whole opinion in because he said he was doing school because so people won't think he's stupid. So I reworded Brian's for him because I helped him write his. Nathan wrote his own. There's mine. Here's Saavedra's. Right, actually, Idra's writing in hers right now. So since it's live, you can see what she's doing to change it around and stuff. So her and I both have the same document we're working on right now, and that's why her name's popping up there. It's telling me who's working on the doc. So you can see all that when you go in there. Anyway, quick crash course in how to upload. Just one more quick reminder. You come in here, you go to whatever class you want to upload in, you click on yourself, you scroll down here, you click on add, and you have to save it as a file in your computer, or you can save it in your Google Drive. Or you can make a YouTube video or your own websites, but probably you're going to always use Google Drive or file. And if you want to know what's in your Google, and then you just add it. And if you want to know what's in your personal Google Drive, click on your apps box, and then here's your Google Drive. So I actually never looked in your Google Drive or the NCJJ Google Drive. Oh, right here's the paper we're all working on. Here's some individualized lesson plans from Flores. I guess Flores has been sharing this stuff, and the only thing I shared with you is the Rios file, so my files aren't in there. Because if you click on mine and you go into my Google Drive, just to kind of show you super quick, then you can get the idea of what files you're seeing and not seeing. Hopefully we're not taking too long here. If I am, you can just cut off the video. But like here is all my, I even have stuff from students from last year because I've had my Google for a while. But here's all the stuff that I have that we've worked on. So anything, if you want, just tell us. We'll share with you what we want. Anyway, I hope that helps. Don't forget, classes. Whatever class you want to add something in, you can do it in the stream. Click on here in the stream. Go down, do the add. Go in classwork, hit the create, make an assignment, hit the add. Well, we're not really going to do that. Let's go back. And then people and grades you don't have to worry about. Okay, hope it helps. Bye.